Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to explore Python programming fundamentals. We'll discover two super tools, variables and operators. These tools will help you build awesome programs that can do amazing things. What are variables? Variables are like containers that hold data. They allow you to store information and reference it throughout your program, making your code more dynamic and efficient. Here's how to define a variable in Python. Choose a name that makes sense for what you're storing. Use the assignment operator equals to store a value in the variable. Value could be a number, string, or any other type of data you want to store. Here are some important points to remember about variables. Variable names can start with letters, underscores, but cannot start with a number. Variable names should be descriptive and meaningful to understand their purpose. Avoid using keywords as variable names, as they have reserved meanings in Python. Operators. Operators are the tools that allow you to manipulate data stored in variables. They perform various operations like addition, subtraction, comparison, and logical evaluation. Here are some basic types of operators in Python. Arithmetic operators. Used for basic math calculations. Comparison operators. Used to compare values and make decisions. Logical operators. Used to combine multiple conditions. Assignment operators. Used to assign values to variables. By understanding these operators, you can create more complex and meaningful programs that perform calculations, make decisions, and manipulate data in various ways. That's it, folks. You've unlocked the power of variables and operators in Python. These fundamental tools open doors to a world of possibilities, from crafting dynamic programs to building creative games and applications. Remember, practice is key. Keep experimenting, challenging yourself, and most importantly, have fun with code. If you enjoyed this adventure into the world of variables and operators, hit that subscribe button. We'll be diving deeper into the Python universe, exploring exciting new concepts and unlocking even more coding superpowers. See you on the next coding journey.